Hello guys, welcome back to class. In this session, we'll continue the arithmetic operators. So in the last session, we have seen the lab 76. So in this, we declared a long variable, and a long variable is there. It is making the prefix as L, right? So what I'll do, let me do the experiments on this. These are not there in booklet, guys. Doing extra labs for doing an experiment. 76A. So this is my lab, okay, simple lab to do an experiment. So what happens in this, tell me. Whether after the optimization, how this line will be converted. This line will be converted by the compiler. Somehow this will be changed, right? You tell me the changed code of this. Anyway, this program will compile and run successfully, am I right? I'm just doing compilation. Java C 76, yeah. Okay. So tell me, but I want the conversion code, how it looks in the byte code. Very good. Super. We'll check that here. We'll check that here. We have a free decompiler. 76 here. Dot class file I'm uploading and check this decompile. Ah, wonderful, guys. See? Now you are thinking like a compiler, right? This is how L came automatically. This is the key point we learned from this. Okay. This is done. One more experiment, guys. 76b.java. Now, even no need to have a final also. If I take like this, 76b, this case, tell me what happens. Any changes by the compiler or not? Any changes in this case? It is not a final now, guys. Final means it will replacement happen. Not final means any changes to be done on this. So program is simple. I declared a long variable, 12 can be assigned to long, fine. So assigning this, printing it 12. But any changes you are predicting? 2076b. Ask my free decompiler. Declaration will be there, Pawan, yes. No, Abhishek, it won't replace because it is not a final variable. Only final variable occurrences will be replaced. It is not a final variable, right? You see, guys, this is not a final variable, normal variable. Normal variable means variable only. This, but I think I'm expecting something, small change. Can you guess the small change I'm expecting? Can you guess the small change I'm expecting? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 members answered. See? Wonderful. Pavitra, you're right. Bhargav, right. Joshita. Okay. Shravani, right. Very good. See? Long means automatically it brings the L there. That is the key point to land. Understand? Wonderful. One more experiment for you. 76C. If I make it as a float, A equals to 9.9. Is this okay? Float F equals 9.9. Is it okay, guys? No. 9.9 will be considered as a double, right? So float means you must write the F. You must write the F. Then nothing is there for compiler to do in this. You must write F is mandatory for float. So you are writing, then compiler nothing. Compiler will not do anything. But I'll do this. You see, double D equals to a double A equals to 9.9. Is this okay? Will it compile and run? Yes, this program will compile and run. 76C. Wonderful. But I want any compiler changes you predict on this. Any compiler changes you're predicting on this, guys? No. Any compiler changes? 76C. Abhishek is guessing 999D. Joshit, Shekhar, Naveen. Wonderful, guys. Srinivasdande, you missed D or you did not write D? D will be added. So, conclusion. When you are writing long values, L optional in the smaller numbers, but larger numbers, L mandatory. Smaller numbers, L optional for you, but compiler will add L for any number. Floating point, F mandatory, you must write. Double values. For smaller double values, it is optional for you, but compiler anyway will add it, 9.9. Right? That's the points surrounding to that 76. Okay, back to 77. Next lab. 77. So I'm not declaring anything. Directly I'm doing operations like 20 by 3. What happens? 20 by 3.0 F. 20 by 3.0. Tell me the result of 20 by 3. 6 or 6.33? No, first one I am asking, guys. First one, only one. 20 by 3, tell me. This value, tell me. Shekhar is strictly telling 6 only. Hari is strictly telling 6 only. Lakshmi, yes. Lakshmi explained the answer also. Very good, guys. So already, guys, Lakshmi explained the answer also. See, read the Lakshmi's answer. Int by int. What is the int by int, guys? Int by int is the int only. Then what is the answer? What is the answer, Chandan, now? Chandan, it is now 6. Even though it is giving a result, but because the result finally it has to give the result as int only. Int means the decimal points will be removed and it give pure 6. Very good. That's done. Next one you can guess. 20 by 3.0, guys. Because F I am writing float. It means this is int by float. This is this int by float? Int by float result should be int by float result should be the float. Yes. Now it will give you 6.33 whatever it comes. Next I am using 20 by 3.0. What is 3.0? 3.0 is considered as a double. Now 20 by 3.0 means int by double. Int by double means the result should come as a double. Now it comes 6 point something something will come. But the result of float and double is a difference. See the output here clearly. Compile 77. Float will have a lesser precision, guys. Float will have a less precision. Double will have more precision. What is the meaning of that? Float will have a less precision and double will have a more precision. What is the meaning of that? First, as we guessed, int only. Second, float only. Third, double only. So, what is the precision here? Float has the less precision, means float takes less digits after the decimal point. After decimal point, less digits. How many it is taking? How many guys? Count it. 3 and 3, 6, 7 only. Precision 7. And double has a bigger, larger precision. It comes 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 12, 12 plus coming as 15, I think, right? I counted as a 15. 15. 15 is a bigger precision. And remember one important point. This floating point representations sometimes may change depending on the platform. Mostly same. This floating point actually will change. There is a chance to get different precisions on the different platforms. So this is the one which is not standard across the platforms, because floating point calculations still depending on the underlying platform only. That's what the precision values may change. Okay, this point, remember it. I'll touch this somewhere in our codes. Float and double having different precisions. Float has less precision up to 7, and double has more precision up to 15. These precisions may change for the float and double depending on the underlying platform you are using. If you want to standardize, yes, you can standardize. There is a way to standardize. This point I will touch later in different topic. Okay, so points are clear. Very good. $78. Okay, now 20 by 0.0. these are standard things. 20 by 0.0. 20 by 0.0, 20 by minus 0.0. Generally, there is no difference with the minus 0.0, 0.0, but here there is something we need to check actually. 20.0 by 0. 20.0 by 0 and minus 20.0 by 0. Okay, these are all various possibilities. Directly I'm printing it. This compiles, nothing infinity possibilities, guys. These are all the 4 combinations where you'll get a infinity minus infinity. When you divide a number with, these are 4 combinations you write down. Int by 0.0. Down is a 0.0, top is integer. Or this is infinity, right? Int by minus 0.0. This gives the minus infinity. Next, the top is anything. I'm using a double here. Double by 0. Double by 0. It can be double or float, no problem. Double by 0 is the infinity. Minus double by 0 is the minus infinite. 4 standard cases. 4 standard cases you will get as. Okay. Now I'll ask you a simple question. Based on this, keep this in mind. You have this on a screen. 10 by 0. What is the value of this? Is this go to infinity any case? That is the smaller observation required, guys. See, this is int by 0, right? This is int by 0, guys. In the 4 cases, I have written A, B, C, D, 4 cases. Whether int by 0 is matching with any of the cases, int by 0 is matching with any of the cases, int by 0 is matching with any of the cases. No, this is another case. This is another case. We'll talk about that. Just differentiate. Int by 0 is different. Int by 0.0 is different. Okay? Anyway, this we'll talk about. In this, we are studying 4 cases. The 4 cases clear which will give the infinite case. Infinite case. Even I am directly printing it. Instead of printing, if you want to declare in a variable, double variable, also you make it. Double D equals to, suppose 20 by 0.0. What is the D print? When I print a D, what it prints, guys? When I print a D, what it prints? It has to print infinity, right? D has infinity only. D has infinity only. The last case, 78. See, last D equals to infinity. Or for easy understanding, what is that? D is infinity. D also infinite. Okay? Done. And another cases where you remember it. This is standard math operations in the math, 79. This also is standard, guys. Remember it. 79. This is belongs to the NaN, not a number case. We have a 0 by 0.0, 0 by minus 0.0, and 0.0 by 0, minus 0.0 by 0. These are the 4 cases where you have. And similarly, I'll show this as this. Okay. That can be a float or a double, Lakshmi. It can be a float or double. 0.0 you represent as a float or double, no problem. I taken as a 0.0 means double actually, right? But it should be 0.0. It can be represented as a double or a float. Any case. Infinity. These 4 combinations, infinity. No, in this 78 example, we did not get any runtime error. We did not get any runtime error. It has compiled and executed successfully. It has given infinite only in all the cases, right? Int case, we'll talk about that. That is a different case. Okay. So see this case, guys. These are all zeros only. These are all zeros only. These are all zeros only. But 0 by 0.0. These are the different case. The standard, these also. You just remember the standard things as this. Any meaning of 0 by 0.0 means if you do 0 by 0.0, anything will come, guys. What result you are expecting from that? Nothing, right? No use of that, right? That's what they did is. NaN, not a number. These are the 4 cases. We will get a NaN, N-A-N, not a number. No number will come, right? Nothing will come. So they fixed these 4 cases as NaN. So where infinity coming, where NaN, not a number is coming. 4 cases for infinity, 4 cases for NaN. Is that clear? Up to this? Now go to the arithmetic exception. Most commonly you will get as arithmetic exception, lab number 80. When you divide int by 0, guys, int by 0 leads to arithmetic exception. Int by 0 means I have a 10 number, 10 by integer 0. I'll give 2 cases again here. 10 by 0.0, tell me. 10 by 0.0, guys. 10 by 0.0. Infinity. But 10 by 0, not allowed. This gives an exception at runtime called arithmetic exception. So this program will compile, no objection to compile. Lab number 80 will be compiled successfully. Compile it first. Compiled successfully. Next, when I run this program, what happens? See the running steps. When you run this, first main method will be called. Okay. In that first line will be executed. What is this? SOP 10 by 0.0. So 10 by 0.0 means infinity. Infinity will be displayed first. After displaying infinity, it is coming to the execution of second line. When it is executing second line, whenever it is divided by 0, number divided by 0, integer number divided by 0, then it will throw exception called arithmetic exception. It throws an exception called arithmetic exception. Divide by 0, not allowed. Run this. Infinity displayed. So runtime, some portion is executed successfully. Later, whenever line problem is this, so one line is causing a problem, that giving arithmetic exception, message divide by 0 is not allowed. Divide by 0 is not allowed. Divide by 0 means integer divide by 0. Another case you see, 10.0 by 0. This is also divide by 0 only, right? 10.0 by 0. 10.0 by 0. Will that give an arithmetic exception? 10.0 by 0 is what, guys? 10.0 by 0 is what? Infinity. Very good. Infinity. Only integer by 0 gives the arithmetic exception. This also I am just making it. So this gives infinity, second gives infinity, third causing a problem. So it gives arithmetic exception at runtime and stops the program execution. Infinite infinity, and third case is this. Okay, done. Now we need other very important concepts called operator precedence. 81.java. When you have multiple operators, which operator has to be evaluated first? For example, I have written a 10 plus 5 by 2. In this, what are the operators you have, guys? Plus operator is there, divide operator is there. Which one has to be evaluated first? Which one has to be evaluated first? 6 is, for example, take it 6. We'll do this in two different ways. This I am evaluating in two ways. First, I am doing 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 means 16 by 2, which gives the output as 8. And if I do divide operation as a first, 6 by 2 is 3. 10 plus 3, it gives the output as 13. So I can do in two ways. Which one I have to evaluate first? There must be rules. Yes, might be you are right. You are right. But there are the rules to learn, right? Yes, that is called as operator precedence. Operator, yeah, Durga, right. Board-Mass rules. I think you had that idea. Board-Mass rules, correct. Those rules you have to follow. That is the precedence. We'll understand that now in the 81. Okay. So if you know that, well and good, you answer it. If you don't know, you will learn it now. Lab number 81, guys. I'm saying int a equals to 90. Int a equals to 90 and int b equals to 9. 90 and 9. So I am taking int d equals to a plus b minus 10. A plus b minus 10 int e equals to a minus b plus 10. Something like this I am doing. Print the d value and e value. Tell me, guys. Plus and minus, we are checking. Plus and minus, anybody having priority? These two guys same or difference priority? Plus minus, guys. Plus minus sitting on the same row, right? So plus minus are having same priority. You do anyone, doesn't make any difference. You see, otherwise, same output I am showing. You do 10 plus b, 99 minus 10, which gives the 89. Or you do b minus 10, a is 90 plus b is the 9. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 90 plus minus 1 means 89 only. So result will not change when you do any order. That's what these are the same. These two operators having the same operator precedence. So output will come Similar, you can guess the output, simple math operation, no need to do that, we'll ask the compiler to do it. It will show the output for us. Okay, done. So next is the important to cross check. 82. .java. You take A equals to 10, B is 20, and I'll take one more, and C equals to 4. So I have three variables, A, B, C. And now D equals to, what is this? Yeah, D equals to A plus B into C. E equals to A plus B into C. You tell me now. So here I am using plus and star. As we understand, plus and minus are in the same priority. Similarly, star, division, and module, these three will have a same priority. Okay, but two groups. This is one group, this is one group. Within these two groups, first group is the star, division, and modulo will take a more priority than plus minus. Correct? So now in this, if you take the first D1, I am writing A plus B star C. Replace with the values 10 plus 20 into 4. So plus is there, star is there. Which group first has to be evaluated? Star group. So 10 plus, this is 20 into 4 is 80. So which gives the 90. So D value comes as a 90, guys. That is fine. D is the 90, cool. But sometimes I want to do operation first A plus B. For example, you are writing the two exams, guys. You are writing the two exams. Okay. I want to find average of two exams. How you will find an average of two exam marks? Average of two exam marks. Marks 1 plus marks 2 by 2. Can I do the average like this? Can I write the formula for average like this? It gives error, right? If you do this, suppose first exam you got 10 marks. Second exam you got a 90 marks. What is your average? 100 by 2 means 50 is the average marks. Maybe 50 pass mark, consider you passed in the exam. Okay. But now, if our developer is not good, your developer is writing the code wrongly, you will fail. See, it will take 10 plus 90 by 2. Slash will take a first priority. It will perform this operation. 10 plus 45. You getting more marks, 55 marks we are giving. But actually you got 50 average, but you get 55 now. Wrong calculation only, right? So what I want, first I will do plus operation. Generally, star will take more, but I want to give plus more priority. If you want to give any priority, then use a parenthesis. Parenthesis will take a more priority than all other operators. A plus B in a parenthesis. So parenthesis has to be evaluated first. Then the result will be multiplied with this. Then A plus B is 10 plus 20 is a 30 into 4 later. That is 120. So output is 120. 9 and 90 and 120. Is that clear of this, how it works? What about arithmetic operators we studied? We have seen that. Parenthesis, plus, minus, star, division, and these are the operators we have seen as of now, guys. Okay, you give the rankings. These are the operators and the ranks we are giving. In the ranks, you match it. Suppose I am giving this as 1, this as 2, and this as 3. You match it. Who is the one rank? One where I have to match? One where I have to match? One, who is the one guy? Stopper. Parents is very good. 2 is star group only, right? Star group only, very good. 3 is last, this will take. Very good. Up to these operators, fine. Later we are learning other operators. Again, we'll do that. So one more lab on this arithmetic. With this, we'll complete arithmetic, guys. 82 lab number. 82, right? No, 82 just done, right? 82 is done. Let me see. No, 82 is done, but I didn't compile, I think. Java C lab 82.java. 82 is not there, right? Okay, okay. 90, 120 done. 83. Last lab of arithmetic. Very good, guys. 83. A minus B by, I am checking. Just other operators we'll see. But here I want to see first A minus B operation, then division operation. You can do answers and tell me directly. No need to, I won't give any explanation on this. You can do calculation and tell me answer. Then we'll compile. We'll check with the compiler answer. Oh, all are getting same answer, huh? Any guy difference answer? Eh, all are right. Shravani, you done differently, I think. 5 and minus 2. 10 minus 20 by 4. So 10 minus, this is 20 by 4 is a 5. 10 minus 5 is a 5. First is the 5, D value 5. Next, A minus B by 4. A is the 10 minus 20 by 4. 10 minus 20 means minus 10 by 4. Minus 10 by 4 means minus 2. Because integer result we are storing, you will get only integer values. Okay, guys, that's about arithmetic operators and other points we discussed. Arithmetic operator precedence we are done. Results, everything done with arithmetic operators. Next, we'll go with another very, very important, most commonly used operator, string concatenation operator. String concatenation operator. Go to my notes first. Okay, this is done. Arithmetic done. Read the points. First important points we'll study. Then go to this is which operator is used as string concatenation. What is the operator for string concatenation? Plus only. It means plus is overloaded, guys. Plus is overloaded. Plus is overloaded. It means plus is doing two tasks. Plus is doing two tasks. One is the arithmetic sum. Arithmetic sum it will do. Also will do string concatenation, two operations. But I have a doubt. You have to clarify my doubt. Same operator, I am writing plus only. I am writing plus. Same symbol. In the keyboard also same key is there. When I use plus operator, I am doing A plus B, guys. Okay. Now tell me this plus what operation it will do? Will it do arithmetic sum or concatenation? How it does? How it decides? My question is, now between A and B, whether it has to do the concatenation or arithmetic sum. How it decides? Rahman based on data type, Pavani based on data type, Bargo based on declaration, Govardhan arithmetic sum. How can you say Govardhan arithmetic sum? It is purely depending on the data type of your variable, guys. It decides whether to do arithmetic sum or string concatenation depending on the A type and B type. A type and B type. Yes, it is purely on A type and B type. We'll see the examples on that. Come back here. For example, for arithmetic sum, what operands allowed? Tell me. Operands allowed. What are operands allowed, guys? Operand types allowed for arithmetic sum. For arithmetic sum, what operands allowed? 6 numbers. Very good. You remember my points. 6 number types are numeric types. 6 numbers plus 1 char allowed. Now, arithmetic sum. Can I use a string or a boolean? When you use a string and boolean, it won't touch this. Not allowed here. Only 6 allowed. Very good. In the concatenation case, operand types. Operand types, 6 number types plus 1 char, and here string also allowed, boolean also allowed, guys. Here even string allowed, boolean allowed in the string concatenation. So how it takes an example? If I give int a equals to or directly without that, I'll take. Okay, an example is suppose 10 plus 20. So what it does? Is it an arithmetic sum internally performing? Is it performing arithmetic sum only, guys? Yes, it will do arithmetic sum. Very good. Okay. Next, I am doing 10 plus true. 10 plus true. It has to give an error, right? But true allowed for plus. But I am telling true allowed here. Boolean allowed this side also. How means some cases true allowed, some cases true not allowed. That is depending on if the operator decided as arithmetic operator, it won't allow boolean. If operator decided for the string concatenation, it allows the boolean. So this not okay. Come to the string side. String side, if any one string, one operand is a string, at least one operand should be a string, guys. If I take hello, hello is a string plus okay is another string, guys. Hello, okay. Will it do string concatenation? Hello string, string plus a string. Will it do arithmetic sum or string concatenation? It will go for concat, shortly I am writing. Okay. Now say this. Hello plus integer I am passing. Can I use integer as second side? Now one side string is there, one side integer is there. So how it will decide? Whether integer is there, it will do the arithmetic sum, or string one side is there, it has to concatenation. How it decides? One side string is there, second side whatever, it will do string concatenation. Very good. Concat only, guys. It will get the result as hello 99. Now do this. Hello is one side plus a true. Can I use a boolean? For a concatenation, boolean is allowed. Boolean is allowed. It will make as whole string as hello true. Hello true. So is that clear difference between this? When it is deciding whether it is arithmetic or string concatenation, it is deciding based on the data type. Based on the data type, it decides whether to perform arithmetic sum or to perform string concatenation. What are the types allowed for arithmetic sum? Only numerics and char. Only numerics and char are there, it will do arithmetic sum only. If one side string is there, it will decide to go for a string concatenation, and second side you can use a string. Second one operand string means it will go for a string concatenation. If one side string, second side can be anything, okay, it will convert to the string finally, do the concatenation. Concept is clear? concept is clear, guys? Okay, I'll ask you another question, final last question before going lab. 99 plus 9, tell me, it is arithmetic sum or what? Or 90 use easy. 90 plus 9, what it does? Concatenation or arithmetic sum? Result is 99 will come. Arithmetic sum 99. Okay, concatenation side. 90 double quotation plus 9. What's the result of this? 909. Very good. Next. One side integer 9, second side 90. Then one side integer immaterial. One side, second side string is there. Do the concatenation 9. Beside that, you'll add a 9. Sorry, 990. Okay. Similarly, now tell me last point to conclude this before going to the labs of concatenation. What is the result of arithmetic operation? You should tell answer correctly, please. What is the resultant type of arithmetic operation, guys? What is the resultant type of arithmetic operation? You can't say int, you can't say numeric, you have to say my sentences only. Don't use your brain, use your brain only for answering. Sentences, whatever I framed it, a simple, easy English sentences, you have to tell the same thing. Result of arithmetic operation is int or higher than int, you have to say. Yeah, int or higher than int, you have to say. Int or higher than int, you have to say. Int or higher than int, you have to say. Very good. Now the last question. What is the result of string concatenation operation? Result of string concatenation operation. Final result always string, guys. This is arithmetic side int or higher than int. And concatenation side always the string, always the string, always the string. Okay? Right. Now is the time for labs. Start with 84, guys. 84. Whatever concepts, understanding concept is important, guys. First understand the concept. 90 is my A. 9 is my B. Okay? Then I am writing like this. See, A plus B. First, I want to find A plus B and display the results here. Okay? I am doing only this much. Leave it. What is the output of this program? Is this 84? Yes. Okay, I didn't save as 84. This is 84. Output is so simple. Arithmetic sum it is doing, right? Okay. So when I'm doing this, my manager told that when you're printing that, you display something. You're telling 99. What is 99? You say that is the result is 99, something like that. Then I started framing a sentence like this. Plus is the result. I want to say like this. Means what I'm planning to say? I'm planning to say that A plus B, when I add 99 will come. I'm planning to say that 99 is the result. 99 is the result I am planning to say. Now, what is the output of this program? 99 is the result. 99 is the result or 909 is the result? 99 is the result. Somewhere Lakshmi is telling 90. Lakshmi, is that 909 or you want to revise the answer? 84, compile, guys. Nine is the result. How can you say this, guys? So what is happening here? This is a 2 plus operators. See the beauty here, how compiler is doing. Replace a value with that. 90 plus 9 plus a string is the result. Something is there. So, plus I am using 2 times. And we don't know plus can be an arithmetic sum, plus can do a string concatenation. That will be decided based on the type of operands you are using. In this expression, 2 times plus is there. So as per the operator precedence, which one will be evaluated first? Which one will be evaluated first, guys? First plus or second plus? Because both are same. Both are same is what it will do. When both are same, it starts from left to right. Very good, Durga. Left to right, it starts. Do the left to right. So first this operation happens. 90 plus 9. Int plus int. So arithmetic sum will happen. 99 will come. Plus, this is a string. Now int plus a string. Int plus a string means the result is a string. It shows 99 is the result. Clear, guys? Very good. Okay. So 99 is the result we got. Now my manager told, don't do 99 as a result. You write as a result is 99. So what manager told? You write the output as result is so and so like that. So I am changing the sentence. Keep that as it is. I am writing one more sentence. What I have to write now, guys? I have to say, you say result is plus A plus B. Okay. Now I printed like this. What happens now? Second line is it output is now result is 99. Am I right? Second is result is 99. Is that result is 99? Is that result is 99? Is that some yes, some no. Some yes, some no. So application of the learning things is important, guys. 84 I'm compiling and running. 84 I'm compiling and running, guys. You got as 909. Did you understand why 909? I just told you the process also. Again, same thing, you do it. I'm explaining. First is a string, guys. Result is string plus A 90 plus B 9. Okay, this is the what you have to evaluate. Again, a 2 times plus is there. Whereas plus is having same precedence. So it has to evaluate from left to right. First left side operator. What this has to be evaluated. What is this, guys? String plus int. Which one? Arithmetic or concatenation, right? So it will show as of now, result is 90. Is a string, right? Plus 9. Again, a string plus 9 is a concatenation. Then it will show the result is 909. Do you understand? So if I show this output, then my manager will scold me, right? 90 plus 9 is 909. If I display the output, he will scold me. Tell me how to correct this, guys. First statement is okay. First statement is giving the result correctly only. First statement is giving results correctly only. But my manager told display the output like this. Result is and the result has to come. When I write this, it is not giving output. Tell me the way to correct this statement, please. A plus B, we have to keep in the parentheses. Wonderful, guys. Very good. Now what happens? First A plus B parentheses will be evaluated. It gives A plus B 90 plus 9, you'll get 99. 99 one side, on the right side, left side a string, let it to concatenate. That's the output you want as this. 84 done. So clear? Next is next is 85. Each my point you have to observe carefully and apply, guys. Okay. Tell me, what is the output of this program? Is that 81 is the result? Hmm? Okay. 85 is 81 is the result. Okay, very good, guys. Super good. Very good. Next, twist. Twist, careful. Answer it. 86 dot show. Again, my manager is scolding me. I told previously, you write the result as you have to write result is something like that. Again, you're writing reverse. After he is scolding me, I am changing the code as result is plus A minus B. I changed the code like this. Now tell me the output. I think result is 81, right? Result is 81, am I right? Bhargav is telling error. Why error? What you are seeing in that error? Think and tell me. Carefully think and tell me. You do the process. Your brain has to start working on why. Why error? Tell me, guys. Concat only for plus, concat only for minus. Okay, guys. Done. See the process I am doing now. First is the string, guys. Result something is a string plus integer 90 minus integer 9. This is how. So plus and minus are having same priority. So it starts from left to right. So first you will take a plus. Now string plus integer. String plus integer concatenation. Concatenation means it will do as result is up to this 90 came. String minus 9 you are using. Minus is that minus overload. What are the data types allowed for the minus operator? For minus arithmetic operator, is that overloaded? No. Can I use a string for a minus? Minus is there. You will say something minus something. What are the operand types allowed for minus? For minus, operands allowed are 6 numeric types plus 1 char type. That's it. 6 numeric types and 1 char type. But you are using a string for the minus as an operand. For minus, can I use a string as an operand? For minus, can I use a string as an operand? So, is that a bad operand? Is that a bad operand? This operand is bad. Bad operand for the operator minus. Bad operand for the operator minus. What is the lab number? 86. You should remember, guys, most of the error messages are registered in my mind. When you see when a piece of code telling error is different, guessing the error with your own sentence is different, telling the exact error message what compiler is producing is the ultimate. You see? Bad operand types for the binary operator minus. These sentences you have to by heart. 1,000 error messages if you prepare, you are the expert in Java. Right? Done. This is a compiler. Bad operand. Take this error message for the recording purpose. '86 done. 87. Then again, if I do this compile time error, but how to give the output to my manager, guys? Tell me, suggest how to produce output. Okay, 86 only, better will do. Let me, 86 only will compile. Wait. Where is the lab? part 2 or part 3, right? Class files I'm deleting. Anyway, we'll compile it, right? 86. So how to produce the output? This is anyway compile time error. We understand. Comment this line. What I'll do? We'll apply our rule. A minus B, keep in a parenthesis. Very good. Now run this program. It works, right? It shows the output clearly. 86 compile. Result is 81. Very good. 86 done. 87. I have A and B. Result is A, confusing, A plus minus B. Result is A plus minus B. First it will compile or not. Compiler, any trouble is coming up, you see. The main operator is what? Plus and plus only. Compile this 87. Compilation done, guys. Compilation done means I think you can guess it. Yes, some of you guessed it. Very good. So what is happening here? First is the string. String plus integer. String plus integer means you will get a string only. What is the string you are getting? Result is 90. This is a one string you got. This one string and a plus operator. Plus, and this side minus B. B is the 9. So minus 9. You are concatenating this string with the minus 9. So 90 minus 9. Just attaching. Very good. Most of you guessed it. Wonderful. The same sentence I will do in another expression style also, even though same thing comes. For example, if I keep minus B in a parenthesis also, even though, means if it is plus minus, if you are confusing, no confusion for the compiler, a JVM to execute. Even if you keep like this also, both gives the similar style only. 87 to go. Okay. Next, 88. Guys. I have int A equals to 90. Then string some str equals to A. Tell me what happens now. So the standard point here to remember is, remember guys, numeric family. What is the numeric family? Numeric family, 6 number types plus 1 char. Char anyway indirectly numeric only, right? Char anyway indirectly numeric only. Only numbers you are storing. I can store numbers also, ASCII values also. And another side, a string is there. Boolean is the alone. Boolean is alone. Boolean is single, simple, B-O-O-B-O-O-L-E-N. Boolean is one side. It is single and simple. These are all direct assignments, not possible, guys. Direct assignments, not possible. It means numeric, you can't assign directly to the string. Or a string directly, you can't assign to the numeric. String to Boolean direct assignment, not possible. Boolean to string direct assignment, not possible. Numeric to Boolean direct assignment, not possible. And Boolean to numeric direct assignment, not possible. Directly, the 6 combinations, not at all possible. But there is a mechanism to convert. If you really want to convert a Boolean to string, string to Boolean, something like that, There are some conversion methods, mechanisms. We'll talk later after OOPS concept. Somewhere in the API we'll discuss. Direct assignment of number to string is not possible. Not direct assignment is not possible. Tell me, by keeping these points, what happens to this 88? What happens, guys? It has to give an error. Integer, one family, string, another family, direct, no talks between this. Error. What error? What error? Incompatible types you have seen many times. As of now, 20, 30 times you have seen the error message. If you want to count it when you're practicing. Incompatible, right? Integer cannot be converted to string. Incompatible types. Integer cannot be converted to string. Compile this and do that. 88. Incompatible types. Int cannot be converted to string. Straight away telling. And previously we got errors like possible lossy conversion. Means the sentence is smooth sentence. Possibly lossy conversion from long to int, like that. It means there is chance to, it is telling this conversion okay, but you may lose the data. It is telling strictly int cannot be converted to string. Okay. So, but my requirement is I'm commenting this anyway, leave it. But I have to assign integer to string. So one simple way of, there are many other ways, we'll talk later. One simple way, what you can do, guys, can I do a simple concatenation? String str1 equals to, can I say a plus empty string? Can I do a plus empty string, guys? A plus empty string. A is the 90 plus empty string concatenation. Final, I'll get a result as, what's the result of this a plus string? A plus string result is string only. I can assign a string to string variable. Okay, this is one. Doesn't make any change in the value. Value will not be changed at all. str2. You say otherwise, empty string plus a also same. Empty string plus a. Plus is the string concatenation operator because one operand is string, second is integer. String plus int is a string. I can assign to the string. Now if you print str, a value this, str1 also same, but str1 is a string. Same number I represent as string. So concatenation sometimes will help you when direct assignment is not possible. But there are other methods, useful methods for the conversion of this boolean to number, number to this, all we will see later. Some conversions okay, some conversions not possible. So now this program will compile 88, right? This will compile and run successfully and gives the output something easy. But direct assignment of number to string not possible. Even string to number not possible. Right? But this is first 90 is integer. Remaining 2 are a string side displayed. Okay, guys. 88 done. Now 89. 89. So a equals to something I am taking as 10, for example. Int b equals to 20. Okay. I am writing int c or a sum, whatever. Sum equals to a plus b. I found this. Okay. Now I want to print the message. So what message I want to print is, now I'm making a string here. String str equals to, the result I want to show as sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Or see, how to write that? Sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Is that okay? Can I print this? So this string str always prints the sum of 10 and 20 is 30 only. If I change my a value to 100, b value to 200, what it does? Problem, right? So dynamically, I want to include the a value, b value, c value in this expression. How to do that? So this 10 wherever is there in my expression, this I should not hard code the value like this. What I have to do? I have to bring a value of a variable. A variable value I want to concatenate here. So can I do like this? Concatenation I am doing. Sum of, after that, a value. Sum of a value will come dynamically. Is that expression right? You see that? This is a string plus concatenated with integer. Again, result concatenated with and. Here this 20 again you remove. Wherever 20 is there, keep this. And here is a B. Now result is this. So wherever is there, you do this with C. See, my expression is right or wrong, guys? 89. 89 it is. Sum of 10 and 20 is 30. I think dynamically including values, right? Test it. This is my 15. This is my 30. 30, 15, 45 has to come. Okay, check it. Sum of 15 and 30 is the 45. Good. Okay, this is the one way, guys. Like this you can do. There is a formatting method also. This is not given in the printf method. I think if you know C, C++, there is a printf method, right? We are using in Java println. Printf is added in later versions. From Java 5 they added. In the beginning of Java they did not add. I can use a printf method. How to use a printf method? System.out.printf. This is to print the formatting symbols. So instead of you doing so much concatenation like this, plus concatenation, this, that, easy way given here. You do this as sum of percentage %d. This is a formatting symbol, percentage %d, and percentage %d is percentage %d. Clear? So much concatenation you're seeing. This is easy, right? Then on the top you're writing this plus concatenation again, string plus concatenation plus so many concatenations you do. Concatenation sometimes an expensive operation. We'll talk about the concatenation and the strings topic. Sometimes the string concatenation is an expensive. Only register the mind, the sentence in the mind. I'll talk that later. But this is single string I am writing. Sum of percentage %d, comma, and percentage %d is percentage %d. How many placeholders you have now? How many placeholders are there, guys? How many placeholders you have? 3 placeholders. After the string, comma, first placeholder, I want to replace with A, comma, second placeholder, I want to replace with B, comma, third placeholder, I want to replace with C. Simply you pass ABC at the last. Easy expression. 2 ways I am using to print the output. But which looks good? Concatenation style or printf style? Tell me, guys. Your final output remains the same. Output exactly same, but printf looks easy. So whenever you printing a formatting something like this, when you want to combine some fixed text and dynamic values to format the strings, you prefer printf than string concatenation. Okay, that's it, guys. Mostly done with all the string related. Mostly done. Yeah. There's our string concatenation, all the styles we discussed. Precedence operator, precedence also we discussed about this, right? That's the end of string concatenation. We'll see another kind of operators in the next session. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.